applying for a nutraceutical merchant account, missing documents like COAs, supplier invoices, or business licenses can delay your approval for weeks or even trigger a rejection. This is a simple way to organize all the documents you will need for your application. Keeping everything in clearly labeled folders ensures a smooth submission process and helps prevent delays. Many supplement and nutraceutical brands lose weeks because documents are missing or incomplete. Even if you have everything, submitting it in a disorganized way can slow approvals. EasyPay Direct's onboarding team guides you through exactly what documents are needed and reviews your paperwork to speed up approval. That means less back and forth, fewer delays, and a smoother path to getting your merchant account active. Here's something from the FAQ. There are specific requirements for nutraceutical merchant accounts, including proper business licenses, COAs, supplier invoices, and other documentation. Having these ready upfront makes the approval process much faster. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can get guidance on preparing and submitting your documents efficiently. Getting your paperwork in order doesn't have to be complicated. With a clear folder system and EasyPay Direct's support, you can speed up approval and start processing payments confidently. Check the link in the description to get started today.